What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another quick episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community on YouTube. Just making these quick episodes, guys. If you're new to the channel, please do smash the subscribe button. Do check out my other videos. Just give my thoughts and opinions we just discuss, and I do read all your comments below, so hopefully you like it and smash the subscribe button and just get involved. And hopefully we'll be getting a project car soon as well. And if you want to hit me up on my Instagram, you can. My DMs are always open if you want to send me any videos to check out, or stories or stuff like that. Any rumors, I'll give you a shout out on the videos as well. And today's quick episode, we're just going to be covering the carwow latest video. It's like, it has to be covered, and it got huge traction. Like, I think it was like 4 million views. That's what we're going to be covering today. I have family over, so my videos, my next like maybe 2-3 videos would just be short videos. It's kind of hard to make long videos when you have family over. Just them drinking and running around the place and creating fucking havoc. So I'm just making these quick ones, so we'll just jump into it, guys. If you haven't seen the carwow video, basically they've put up a I think it was 2012 Red Bull F1 car against the Bugatti Chiron. I think it was sport, and yeah, it was amazing to see how the Bugatti went up against it. Just pure, like, I knew exactly, like, this is spoiler, guys. If you haven't seen the video already and you want to see it, click off this because I am going to be talking about the results and stuff, so you've gotten your warning right now. But yeah, obviously the F1 you know, really battered it. But here's a quick clip for you guys first before I get into talking about it.
Neck and neck, come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, he's pulling now! Oh! Oh!
And there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you suspect the Chiron to be pretty well? In fairness, it did keep up with it. It got it on the when they did the rolling road to the mile. It did actually do pretty well. But you know, the F1 was absolutely mental. I suppose when the F1 cost 62 million at its power to weight ratio, like, you know, against the Chiron's like nearly 2 tons as well. But amazing, absolutely amazing. Pretty cool to see it and stuff like that. But yeah, highly recommend go and check out the video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Just the takeoff of the F1 car, getting traction and stuff like that was insane. Just, you know, it was always going to be the Chiron. Like, it was pretty obvious as well. So yeah, that's just wanted to cover that quick video today, guys, and see what you think in the comments below. So do let me know what you think about it. And tomorrow's video will what will we cover tomorrow? Probably be covering Stradman tomorrow, so please do check it out. Yeah, so that's just it for today's quick video, guys. Hopefully you liked it. Do smash the subscribe button and get involved, and until the next episode, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.